For you to have a successful installation, I will give you some tips and tricks of what you need to follow and what you need to prepare before you can install the minimalist doors. Detail number 1. If you're not using any of the door thread loads, you can extend the floor tower outside the door by 3 centimeters. Place the tower and the wooden floor under the door leaf to estimate any possible gap when you're closing the door. However, the point is that positioning of the gap may vary depending on the style of the door. In order to achieve a minimalist effect where the floor tower and the wooden floor are connected directly under the door, it's recommended to install a wooden floor before the door. Large boards measuring 1.9 mm in length can be used and glued to the floor. If you're interested in this type of wooden flooring and glue, please leave a comment on the comment section and I will provide you more information on the next post. Since you need to create a recessed kickboard, the floor tile needs to be laid 5 to 10 mm into the wall, leaving enough space for the kickboard. If the same thickness is not enough for the kickboard to be installed, a groove needs to be made in advance. The frameless door requires grooves to be made in the wall on either sides of the door opening to accommodate the hidden hinges used by the door frame. If you want to achieve perfect frameless effects where the door extends into the ceiling, it's recommended to temporarily hide any ceiling installation projects until after the door's frame have been installed. This is because the hidden hinges of the door frame need to be compatible with the ceiling paint or finishing. The sides of the door need to be made level with the gypsum to ensure that the walls, kickboards, and door leaf are on the same plan. I hope the tips that we've shared with you can help you install your frameless minimalist door successfully, and please you can look at the pictures and photos that we have that you can consider before buying your minimalist door. That's it for this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment on the comment section and our sales team will get in touch with you. Always turn on the notification button so that we know when we upload the video. That's it for today. Bye bye.